Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been using Fibonacci retracement to find where pullbacks end. It has been working beautifully. He knows where to enter. But there is a problem. Once he enters the trade, he has no idea where to exit. Where does the next leg go? How far will the stock rally? He has been guessing his targets. And guessing means leaving money on the table or holding too long. Today, Rahul learns the other half of Fibonacci. The extensions. They tell you exactly where to take profit. Rahul learns Fibonacci extensions. Think of it this way. Fibonacci retracement tells you where the pullback stops. That is your entry zone. Fibonacci extension tells you where the next move goes. That is your target zone. Retracement answers the question, where do I get in? Extension answers the question, where do I get out? They are two halves of the same system. You need both. Retracement without extension is like knowing the starting line, but not the finish line. You will run, but you will not know when to stop. The key Fibonacci extension levels. 127.2%. This is the first and most conservative target. The move extends 27% beyond the original swing. 161.8%. The golden ratio. This is the most important extension level. Price reacts here more often than any other level. 200%. The move equals double the original swing. A measured move target. 261.8%. The aggressive target. Only hit in very strong trends. Most traders focus on 127 and 161.8. How to draw Fibonacci extensions. You need 3 points. Point 1 is the swing low where the move started. Point 2 is the swing high where the first leg ended. Point 3 is the pullback low where the retracement ended. Connect these 3 points and the extension levels project above the swing high. They show you where the next leg is likely to reach. The key is getting the 3 points right. Swing low to swing high to pullback low. The extensions do the rest automatically. HDFC Bank. The stock rallied from 1500 to 1620. A clean 120-point move. Then it pulled back to 1560, right at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Perfect entry zone. Now Rahul draws the extensions from 1500 to 1620 to 1560. The 127.2% extension is 1653. The 161.8% extension is 1694. The 200% extension is 1740. 3 clear profit targets. Rahul enters at 1565, just above the retracement level. Stop loss at 1540, below the 61.8% retracement. If it breaks that level, the pullback has become a reversal. Risk is 25 points. Target 1 at 1653, the 127.2% extension. That is 88 points reward. Target 2 at 1694, the 161.8% extension. That is 129 points reward. Minimum risk to reward is 1 to 3.5. The smart exit strategy. Rahul does not exit everything at one target. He uses partial exits. At target 1, 1653, the 127.2% level, he sells 50% of his position. Locks in profit. Move stop loss to break even on the remaining position. Now the second half is a free trade. Zero risk. He trails the rest toward target 2 at 1694. If it hits, great. If it reverses, he still has his target 1 profit. This is how professionals manage multi-target trades. HDFC Bank bounces from the retracement and starts climbing. 1600, 1620, 1640. Then it reaches 1653. The 127.2% extension. Rahul sells half. Profit booked. The stock continues. 1660, 1680, then 1694. The 161.8% extension. Rahul exits the rest. First half, 88 points on 50%. Second half, 129 points on 50%. Both targets hit. Fibonacci told him exactly where to take profit. Rahul's Fibonacci extension rules. 1. Retracement tells you where to enter. Extension tells you where to exit. 2. The key levels are 127.2, 161.8, 200, and 261.8%. 3. Connect swing low to swing high to pullback low. For 161.8 is the golden ratio, the most reliable target. 5. Use partial exits at the first extension level. 6. Trail remaining position to the second target. 7. Always place your stop below the retracement level. Entry without a target is just hope. Fibonacci extensions give you the map for the entire trade. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.